In today's video, I'll show you how to style your button-up shirt. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for clicking by. I hope you like this content and enjoy it and end up subscribing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is the one hand style. You take the removed one hand and the other side piece and tie twice as shown. You then adjust to your liking. And there you have it. With this style, you can go and have drinks with your friends. Yeah, healthy drinks. Drinks that will give you a glowy skin, you know. For this one, you have to unbutton the t-shirt all the way and only remain with the two at the bottom buttoned. Then pull it upwards and fold it. You fold it so that you can prevent it from falling. Well, it's giving me a heck of a time, but I'll still show you. Yeah, so that's how it should look. You can have it tucked in or tucked out. It just depends with your taste. Well, this style, you can go and have brunch with your friends, you know. This one is very simple. All the buttons should be unbuttoned apart from the middle one. Then take both side piece and tie twice. You can attend a sportish event with this style. What do they call, like rugby 7s, rugby 15s, football, yeah. This strapless one, where I have removed both hands and formed a knot at the front. I like this one. It's really flowy. If you look at it. Well, you can attend a blue themed baby shower with it, right? Ooh, go girl, go girl. It's really pretty. What do you think, guys? And by the way, tell me down below which style you'd rock and where you'd go to. This is another one which is very simple. The whole t-shirt is tucked in, as you can see, and you can also tuck in your collar. The best thing with button-up shirts, they can be both official and unofficial. For example, this look, you could have gone with it at work, and maybe later at night, you can just tuck in and change the look. Now this one is for the simple people. I call it the one tuck, one drop, one tuck, one... Okay, anyways, you just tuck one side. Okay, why was I dancing? You can also tuck at the front, all of it as shown. And leave it untucked behind. And there you have it. Both of these look, you can rock them at school. You can also accessorize with a belt. Sorry guys for the lighting, kindly bear with me. So for this style, you wear the back as the front and tie it very well at the back. Personally, I can only take a photo with this style. How about you? Tell me in the comments below. You can leave the hands unbuttoned as I have left them, or you can fold them and neatly. I think it looks better that way. Yep, there we go, there we go. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Mwah. You can also style it with a thin belt. You know, fashion, I think it's all about creativity. Or you can use a thick one. So guys, this idea came later as I was editing, and that's why there was a change of clothes. Now, do you recall your high school days where you did not like tucking in your t-shirt and hated buttoning your shirt up to your neck? Now you have the chance to rock that look and break all the rules. How does it feel to be the villain? Ooh, I really love this look. Work it girl. Well, you can also tuck it in. Just tucking it, not buttoning the shirt, you know. We are not going back to high school anymore. And there you have it. Ooh. If you liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, please guys. Get me to 100 subscribers before the end of the week. And share. Don't forget to comment below. Yeah, so till next time, I love you.